I think what we have managed to do in the first 100 days is put together a government which is functional and which has a very, very good idea of what we are targeting in terms of strict economic targets, for example, in terms of the numbers of growth, the numbers of our different measures, the different metrics that we are using for the economy. I believe that the engagements that we have had with ASEAN countries such as Indonesia and Singapore, and then eventually our contacts that we renewed, it was very, very important for us to find our place now in the world and to define that place and to explain that to the rest of the world, especially our friends, but also those who have not been considered as particularly close partners or allies. But we have been able to show that the Philippines is standing on its feet. The Philippines continues to have its aspirations and its dreams, and we are willing to do our part in making those dreams come true. I suppose in the first 100 days, actually the first 60 days, maybe 50 days, we were putting out fires. We were just trying to make things work because suddenly the problem, you're all aware, the problem with sugar, the supply, the problem with fertilizer. We were having to look to different what we now refer to as non-traditional sources. The first time I heard this question, what was before, was during the campaign, what will you do in your first 100 days? And I said, well, the first 100 days will be finding the best and the brightest to help and to serve in government. I think that we have managed to do that. I think that we have, I am always very grateful to those such as Secretary Ben Jokno, for those in our economic managers, those who are experts who have have decided to join the government, because we know that they are very successful. And this is a sacrifice for them. It is really all about service on their part. And so we are always very grateful for their talent. We are grateful for their industry. And to have them in place already, I think, gives us a very distinct advantage as we try to transform our economy for the next few years.